Well, hello everybody. We've just enjoyed 4 fantastic days here at Airbourne 2013 on the Eastbourne seafront. It was the first time that the Red Arrows had been here for all 4 days, and that created a fantastic success in its own right. But the other really interesting first was absolutely delightful, complete contrast to what you would normally see, and that was the Flamand team from Airbourne in France with an MD 311 and a 312. Really remarkable. Most people had never seen these aircraft before. It was their first visit to the United Kingdom, and I think we're going to see a lot more of them. One of the exciting features of your DVD will be flicking using the button to the in-cockpit videos, and also matched with the Matadors this year for the first time in their new livery of Team Dusty and Team Ripslinger. You'll get a real feel for the action on which that story is based in the Disney Planes movie. But also the well-known Blades, who continue to perform at extremely high levels of professional ability. We're using their footage as well to give you an extra feel for what it's like to fly in incredibly tight formation, and particularly doing things like their crazy formation, which are just fantastic. The DVD and Blu-ray are available from planestv.com. So get real, get out there, buy it now.